guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sandra, and in today's video I'm showing you a very beginner friendly smoky eye tutorial where I'm only using one brush and one eyeshadow. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Before I get started, I'm always making sure that I have a very good base, and for that I'm taking this infallible concealer, but you can also take an eyeshadow primer, but in my opinion a concealer works as good as a normal eyeshadow primer. And then I'm just blending it out, and of course you can take your fingers, so this brush doesn't count, but I just forgot to use my fingers, so I'm so sorry. And then I'm setting everything in place with this translucent powder. And for my eyeshadow palette I'm taking this one from Catrice, and I'm taking this wonderful brown color here. And of course we need a fluffy blending brush. This one is from Zoeva. It's not too big, but it has the perfect size and it's not too soft, so perfect for blending. And I'm just packing on the eyeshadow. I'm not swiping it around, and not now, because that's the best way to get a very beautiful, good pigmented and vibrant color. And of course you can use every eyeshadow color that you want, or every eyeshadow that you want. And of course I'm doing the same thing on the other side again. And of course you can also use your fingers to apply the eyeshadow, but for this step now you need a brush, because now it comes to the blending. And I just blend in very small circular motions upwards. And make sure you use a very light hand, because it makes it so much harder to blend out the eyeshadow if you put too much pressure on the brush. And I just blend it upwards. And I have very hooded eyes, so I have to blend it very high above the crease, just because to make it visible. But if you don't have hooded eyes, it's definitely enough if you blend it a little bit above your crease. And now this step is optional, but I think it creates a more smoky eye look if you're wearing an eyeliner. So I'm only lining my upper lash line, and then I'm doing two small wings. But it's totally up to you, so you can skip this step or just skip the wing. And then I'm taking this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. You can also add falsies, but I think this looks also very good if you're applying a few coats of mascara. And yeah, sorry for this weird face, but just ignore it. And now I'm just taking the same brush again, and I press it together to get a very flat brush. And I take the same brown eyeshadow from the beginning, and I just buff it underneath my lower lash line. And looking upwards helps so much to not get the bristles into your eye and to just blend out the color very well. So guys, now you've seen how I've created smoky eyes only with one brush and one eyeshadow, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!